Hello teachers, today I'm going to show you a Google Classroom tip that shows you how to better organize your stream page. Now first you need to ask yourself, why do they even call it the stream page? Most teachers use this as an announcement page, so why not call it announcements? Well, it's called the stream page because it's literally where every single post or notification is going to go. So that includes announcements, but that also includes classwork. By default, any classwork that you assign is also going to go onto the stream page. And I see 9 times out of 10, most students are grabbing their work straight from this page, but it becomes very disorganized quickly when you have a lot of posts, a lot of announcements, and a lot of classwork. So let me show you what I mean. So as you can see, I have an announcement here that I want my class to pay attention to. But look what happens when I assigned classwork to them. So I added some assignments for my class, about 4 or 5, and as you can see, where did my initial post go? I actually have to scroll down a bit to find it. Stream page is based on time, so whatever the newest assignment or post is will automatically be at the top. Now you can manually override this by clicking on the right hand side the 3 dots and hitting move to top, but imagine for your announcements you constantly have to be doing that, and that becomes very tedious very fast. But I want to share with you some tips on how you can make this page look different. What you can do is in the upper right hand side you see the settings icon. It's the gear. You click on that and then it brings up your settings. Go down to general and you'll see that this section says classwork on the stream. So those are the assignments that you're actually posting. Now there's a drop down menu. You could click that. By default it's on show condensed notifications. But let me show you what it'll look like if I hit show attachments and details. So this is what it looks like for attachment and details. It actually shows everything. So you can decide to do that if you want, if you feel like your students are going to the stream page more often than not to grab their assignments, they can at least see it right here. So you can choose to do that. But now let me show you what it'll look like if I choose the third option, which is hide notifications. As you can see now, no classwork is going to appear on the stream page if you hide the notifications. This is going to prompt all of your students to click on the classwork tab up at the top in order to find their assignments instead of the stream page. I find a lot of students get lost in the stream page over the course of a marking period or even over the course of a year, especially if they're missing something, because they don't go to the classwork page. Instead, they go to the stream and they just scroll down and they look for something, but it's difficult to find. Plus, anytime you make an announcement but then post work afterwards, your announcement gets buried unless you remember to move it to the top. So you could choose whatever setting you want, but I would very much recommend you guys to choose one that works better for your class and for your students.